Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello again. This is Mr. Abdullah Sharab, and we are still continuing talking about the lessons in Unit 10, The World of Food, English for Palestinian Students, Book 8b. And today, inshallah, we will discuss the second period in this unit. So please open your books, page 17, and follow with us. Today, inshallah, we will take the first activity, which is filling the gap correctly with the correct words from activity 1 in page 16, and then we will take the third and the fourth activities, which are talking about something related to the conversation that we listened to in the previous lesson. So let's start with the first activity, but before we start, let's revise the words that we taught in the previous lesson. Listen and follow, please.
Can, carton, each, ground meat, jar, list, litre, regular, tomato paste, tub,
Do you remember the meaning of these words? Let's revise them quickly. A small steel or aluminum container in which food or drink is stored. What do you think? It's can. Very good. A small light box or container in which drinks or foodstuffs are packaged. What can you see? What do you think? What is our word? Carton. Excellent. Carton. Very good. The third one, used to refer to every one of two or more people or things. Each. Very good. A beef that has been finely chopped with a knife or mincing machine. It's ground meat. Excellent. A wide-mouthed container made of glass or pottery and typically having a lid, used especially for storing food. What do you think? Jar. Very good. Number of connected items or names written or printed one below the other. Easy. List. Very good. A metric unit of capacity. What do you think? It's liter. Very good. Done or happening frequently. It's regular. Regular. Very good. What is this? Thick paste made by cooking tomatoes. It's tomato paste. Excellent. And the last one, a small plastic container with a lid used for storing food, especially food like ice cream. It's tub. Very good. And let's start now with the first activity in this period. Start by reading the rubric. Read. Add the new words from period 1, make any changes needed. Let's do the first task together. And then you can pause the video, do the rest of the task, and then check your answer after you resume it. 1a. I'll get a kilo of to make kebabs for us. B. I think that's more than we need. We only need half a kilo. What do you think? I'll get a kilo of space to make kebabs. What do we use to make kebabs? What do we need? We need ground meat. Excellent. So now please pause the video, try to do the task, and then pick your answer. Number 2, we need 2 of olives. But do you want black or green ones? We need 2 jars of olives. Excellent. B, could you get one of space kind, please? Could you get one of each kind? One of each kind. Excellent. Number 3, do you use a lot of olive oil in your cooking? Yes, I do. So could you get me a 2-liter can, please? A 2-liter can. So we can store olive oil in it. 4, A and B. And there is something else to add. to the shopping list. Very good. Milk. B. Right. I'll get a large bottle 2 liter. A large bottle 2 liter. Excellent. 5. We've got lots of tomatoes, but we haven't got much tomato paste. Right. So I'll get a large carton or tub. No, not a large one. Just a regular size. It will be fine. Regular size will be fine. Check your answer, please. Hope you answer all the gaps correctly. Let's move to the next one. The next activity is the third activity. Where compares, make a list of other things for Adnan's shopping list. We have 2 boxes here, a bag of, a bottle of, a box of, and a packet of apples, biscuits, carrots, water. Let's fill these gaps correctly and write a full sentence. You can write it in your exercise book or you can write it on the book. Okay, we also need a bag of, what do you think? A bag of carrots. Excellent. A bottle of, what do you think? Water. Very good. A box of apples and a packet of biscuits. Very good. Write this sentence, please, in your book or in your exercise book. And let's move to the last activity, activity number 4. Read again and answer the questions correctly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, I think. Let's read and answer, find the correct questions. Correct answers, sorry. 1. How much ground meat has Mrs. Hefawi got and how much does she need? 2. What does she want to do with it? 3. Are there any tomatoes and how many does she need? How many does she need? What do you think? 2 kilos, 3 kilos? 4. Is there any tomato paste and how much does she need? Just listen to the first 4 questions. Pause the video, please. Try to find the answers, then check your answer. Now let's see the answers. The first answer is she hasn't got any. She needs a kilo of ground meat. The second answer, she wants to make some kebabs. That's why she ordered Adnan to bring some ground meat. 3. She hasn't got any tomatoes. She needs about 2 kilos of tomato. Excellent. And the last question, question number 4. She hasn't got any tomato paste. She needs a large carton. She needs a large carton. Let's see the rest of the questions. 5, 6, 7, 8. Are there any olives and how many jars does she want? 6. Is there any olive oil and how much does she want? 7. How much ice cream are Adnan and Yasmin going to get for the family? 8. How many ice creams are they going to get for themselves? Pause the video, please. Try to find the answers, then check your answer with me. The fifth answer is she hasn't got many olives, she needs a small jar. The sixth one, she hasn't got much olive oil, she needs a large can. 7. They are going to get a regular size or the regular. And 8. They're going to get one each. One for Adnan and one for Yasmin. These were our activities for today. Thanks for attending. Wish you the best. This is Mr. Abdullah Sharab. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.